Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the ISB account and that the modem shows a stable online light. Once confirmed, power the modem and let it fully boot for 2-3 minutes. Next, connect the incoming broadband line to the modem, coax to the coax port, phone to DSL, or fiber to the ONT, because correct physical wiring establishes the data path. Make sure you have an Ethernet cable on hand. This is the most reliable way to link the modem to a router or directly to your PC. Once the modem is online, connect an Ethernet cable from the modem to the router WAN or Internet port. Then power cycle both devices, modem first, router second, to allow a fresh DHCP lease. You should see the router obtain a WAN IP. This means the router talks to the ISB. Now, plug an Ethernet cable from the router to your PC or join the new Wi-Fi network. Open a browser and go to the router UI using 192. 168. You finish by configuring the PC network adapter. Ensure it's set to obtain an IP address automatically unless your setup requires a static IP. Enter the static values if given. Then test connectivity. Open command prompt or terminal, ping 8. 8. 8. 8 to check reachability, then ping a domain to verify DNS resolution. If there's no internet, check cable seating, reboot modem and router again, and inspect the router WAN status or logs. One key tip: swap the Ethernet cable to rule out a faulty cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.